We are exporting in around 32 countries. Designed as per their application.
Welcome to ECMA.
Thank you.
I am Sanjeev from WEECE Media and we are here to cover this event. And on behalf of WEECE Media, I would like to welcome Shri Gaurav Meittal, Director Marketing and Business Development from Balaji Springs Pvt Ltd to our show today. It has been a while that ECMA has been going on, and it is in true spirits that we can see today that the numbers of participants is growing in leaps and bounds compared to the last year. So we would like to understand from you about the success story and how ECMA has been ground for which you to participate.
So, hello, my name is Gaurav Meittal and I am looking after Director Marketing in Balaji Springs Pvt Ltd. So, we are manufacturing springs. So, my father started in 1967 with very small scale. Now, we are exporting in around 32 countries. And we have exhibited with ECMA in many exhibitions in India as well as outside India, in Germany, in USA. So we have a very good experience with the exhibition with them, and the service they are providing is very good. So we get lots of leads from these exhibitions, and now we can say that we got too much success with these exhibitions, and the support which ECMA gives is, I can say, they are doing everything.
Wow.
What you want from them is really nice. You just ask them and they will do.
Wow, well done, ECMA. So how does your, the products go about it? What is the, process that you follow for your business process?
So we exhibit in exhibitions. From there we got the leads, and we just follow with them and got the inquiries. And after inquiries we just go with the process of quotations, negotiation, then maturity of order.
So all the springs that you're manufacturing here are basically tailor-made.
Yes, because there is no designs which we just suggest to customer, because every customer have different requirements of these springs. So they just design as per their application and we manufacture them. So what they think, we shape that.
Right, so they share you a dream and you bring it to reality.
Yes.
Wow,
You are right.
So hats off to Balaji Springs.
Thank you very much.
And another thing I wanted to know basically is where is your production unit?
We are in Meerut.
Okay. So, how many units did you have?
So currently we have one unit with 108,000 square feet production area, and we are working with 267 people.
Wow. And how is the quality team being managed?
So we have 22 engineers in our team, and we are IATF 16949 certified, ISO 9001.
Okay.
So we also get Z Gold certification from government bodies.
Wow.
And we are Government of India recognized export house.
So with a lot of feathers already on your cap, I wish you gather more feathers in your cap. We are also coming up with what we call it as a rally for startups.
Okay.
Where we have been trying to connect the startup companies with the parent organization and organizations who are well settled. And we were just trying to contemplate I need to know your thought process about it. And how is it that we should move forward for it to be a success?
It sounds good, what you had told me. It sounds good. It's really nice idea to just do like this type of activities.
So we'll be doing it in various cities, and once we are in Meerut, we'll definitely connect with you.
You are most welcome.
And as you have desired to share more information, we'll be doing so as we go along.
Yeah.
And on behalf of WEECE Media, I would like to thank you so much.